As the new school year kicks off, President Bongbong Marcos is pushing for key reforms aimed at improving learning and teaching conditions in public schools. The Department of Education is also rolling out a stronger senior high school curriculum and is eyeing partnerships to fast-track the construction of 105,000 classrooms across the country. Here's the report.
President Bongbong Marcos made a visit to Epifanio de los Santos Elementary School in Manila this morning as classes officially opened nationwide. Accompanied by Education Secretary Sonny Angara, the president went around to personally inspect classrooms and observe the situation. He even tried teaching the students himself before giving a positive assessment of the school's condition. President Marcos then ordered key agencies to improve both the quality of education and campus safety, including hiring more teachers, expanding internet access, and installing CCTV cameras.
Kukuha tayo ng 20,000 bagong guro. Sa ngayon, sa 20,000 na yun, 16,000 na ang na-hire ng DepEd na bagong guro. Para tapos kumuha naman tayo para nga may katumbas na hiring doon sa administrative duties, 10,000 naman. Ang mga eskwelahang may internet lamang ay mga 60%, napakababa. Ang problema talaga kuryente. Kaya aayusin natin yan, dahan-dahan makikita natin magiging 100% yan.
Earlier today, Angara also made his rounds. He zeroed in on the school's comfort rooms where water supply issues remain a problem.
Meron kaming standing order. Dapat kumuha ng magandang serbisyo at saka talagang prioritize yung mga CR. Dahil yun ang pag hindi malinis ang CR, hindi tumatakbo ang tubig, doon nagmumula yung sakit. So yun ang concern ng ating Pangulo.
So we are gearing up for all of that. Yung kuryente, we're making sure na may kuryente lahat, na hindi may tubig lahat. Yun ang mga basic services na makita natin para naman maging maayos ang pag-aaral ng mga ating kabataan.
Angara also noticed the return of classroom decorations after being banned under Vice President and former DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte. Meanwhile, for teachers, the use of visual aids helps students absorb lessons better and adds life to the learning space.
We are into elementary school, we really advocate na meron talagang mga posters para mas mapadali at smooth yung lessons namin. At we believe naman kasi that visual aids will help our learners have more retention sa aming sa functional literacy na ini-aim ng aming gobyerno.
Yun ang expression ng mga bata parang yun ang freedom of expression nila maglagay ng mga creations nila, yung mga drawings nila. So I think we have bigger problems siguro.
As part of ongoing reforms, the DepEd is eyeing the construction of 105,000 classrooms in key regions like Metro Manila and Calabarzon. Under Angara's leadership, the academic calendar has reverted to its traditional June to March schedule, a move welcomed by many parents.
Mas okay po sa amin mga parent po kasi hindi na kagaya dati na pag nasa May sobrang init. Yung ibang estudyante hindi sila nakakapasok po. Yung iba parang heat stroke.
It was in 2020 when DepEd first opened classes in August instead of June because of the pandemic. For News 5 Caricator, we are One News.